Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Yes, I know there's chickens.
Alright, buddy, wait until I say go, okay?
Get your tongue off my door.